Top 5 programming languages to learn in 2026. Get hired fast. Technology evolves faster than anyone can keep up. But behind every breakthrough, there's one hidden decision: the language you choose to build with. And that single choice can change your entire career in 2026. AI, automation, microservices, cloud, the rules are shifting again. So today, we're not just listing languages. We're uncovering the 5 that will define the next generation of developers. The ones that don't just get you hired. But get you ahead. Python, the language of creativity and intelligence. Every time an AI writes a line of text, predicts the stock market, or generates an image, Python is working quietly behind the scenes. It's not new, but it's everywhere, because Python is the language that turns ideas into reality faster than anything else. Its top frameworks are Essentials: Fast API for high-speed APIs, Django for robust and secure large-scale apps, and Flask for lightweight, flexible custom builds. And in AI, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn form the backbone of modern machine learning. Average US salaries: Qubit Labs, Blue Light, Indeed. Junior, 90K, 100K a year. Mid-level, 115K, 130K a year. Senior, 150K, 165K plus. Used by Google, Netflix, NASA, and Spotify, Python's dominance isn't slowing down. In 2026, creativity plus automation, ARSIC Python. 2. JavaScript, TypeScript. The web that never dies. Every time you click, scroll, or use an app online, you're interacting with JavaScript. It's the language that powers the internet, and it's not going anywhere. But here's the game changer for 2026, TypeScript. It adds a layer of safety and scalability, making large, complex applications more robust and easier to manage. Think about the frameworks that run the modern web. React, JS, the heart of dynamic user interfaces. Next, JS, making websites faster and more SEO-friendly than ever. And Node, JS, which took JavaScript from just a browser language to a full-stack powerhouse. For those who love structure, Nest.js brings discipline and order to building powerful TypeScript applications. The demand is massive. Companies like Meta, Airbnb, and Uber have built their entire ecosystems on this stack. Why? Because the web is eternal, and so is JavaScript. For salaries, you're looking at a fantastic entry point. Junior developers can expect to start around $95,000 to $110,000 a year in the US. Mid-level developers are pulling in $120,000 to $140,000, and seniors can easily command $150,000 to over $170,000 annually. Companies like Meta, Airbnb, and Uber still build their ecosystems on JavaScript. Because while frameworks evolve, the web never dies, and neither does JS. If you want a future-proof career, mastering the JSTS ecosystem is a no-brainer. 3. Golang. Simplicity, concurrency, and the cloud. Every container you deploy, every microservice you scale, every cloud API you call, somewhere Go is running quietly behind it. Born at Google, Go was designed for concurrency, simplicity, and speed. It compiles to lightweight binaries, has no runtime overhead, and just works. Behind the scenes, there's a good chance Go is making it all happen. Top frameworks and tools. Jin, minimalist and insanely fast for APIs. Echo, clean, enterprise-ready structure. Fiber offers a modern, friendly experience inspired by Express. JS and Echo provides a clean, enterprise-ready structure for building robust systems. Average US salaries: Golang Cafe, Jobasi, Glassdoor. Junior Go developers start strong, typically between $80,000 and $100,000. As you gain experience, mid-level roles jump to the $110,000 to $140,000 range. But for senior engineers, especially in tech hubs like San Francisco or Seattle, salaries can skyrocket from $150,000 to over $200,000 a year. Cloud infrastructure is the new gold rush, and Go is the language that's powering it. It's calm, it's efficient, and if the future runs in the cloud, then Go is the language that will run the future. Or Rust, security and performance to the limit. Finally, we arrive at the language built for ultimate performance and uncompromising safety: Rust. When every millisecond counts and failure is not an option, developers are turning to Rust. It solves a problem that has plagued computer science for decades: How to get the raw power and speed of a language like C++ without the notorious risks of memory errors. Rust's secret weapon is its ownership model, which guarantees memory safety at compile time. This means no null pointer exceptions, no data races, just rock-solid secure code. Top frameworks and tools: Actix Web, blazing fast web APIs. Rocket, clean syntax, simple startup. Tokio, async backbone for high concurrency systems. That's why it's being adopted by titans like Microsoft, Amazon, Dropbox, and even SpaceX. When you're building operating systems, game engines, or flight control software, you need a language that you can trust completely. The ecosystem is rapidly maturing with powerful tools like Actix Web for building blazing fast APIs, Rocket for its clean and simple syntax, and Tokio, the asynchronous engine powering high concurrency systems. Now let's talk about compensation. Rust isn't mainstream yet, but companies are paying a premium for developers who master it. Junior positions can start around $100K, with mid-level roles climbing to the $130,000 to $160,000 range. For senior developers, especially in cutting-edge fields like blockchain, fintech, and system security, salaries often range from $180,000 to over $200,000. Learning Rust is an investment. You're not just learning another language, you're becoming part of an elite group of engineers building the most critical systems of tomorrow. The future doesn't forgive failure, and Rust simply doesn't allow it. It's not mainstream yet, but Rust developers are being paid like the elite engineers of tomorrow. Because the future doesn't forgive failure, and Rust doesn't allow it. 5. C#, Java.net, the silent renaissance. Rust developer in a modern workspace, Visual Studio glowing, warm orange lighting. Remember C#. For years, it was labeled the Microsoft language, locked away in the corporate world. But while everyone was chasing the new, shiny thing, C# was quietly undergoing a revolution, a silent renaissance. And now, it's simply unstoppable. Forget everything you thought you knew. With Net 8 and the upcoming Net 9, this isn't your dad's C#. It's open source, it's cross-platform, and it's blazing fast. It runs everywhere you need it to. Windows, Linux, inside Docker containers, and all across the cloud. This isn't just an update, it's a complete reinvention of what's possible. Think about the ecosystem it powers. Need to build high-performance APIs and robust backends? ASP. NetCore has you covered, rivaling the speed of Node. JS and Go. Tired of JavaScript fatigue? Blazor lets you build interactive web apps using only C#. Want to create native mobile and desktop apps from a single codebase? MAUI is the answer. And for handling databases, Entity Framework Core makes complex data management feel simple and intuitive. Now, let's talk about opportunity. Because skills in this ecosystem are seriously in demand. In the US, a junior developer can expect to start around $90,000 to $110,000 a year. From the high-stakes world of fintech dashboards to the backbone of global cloud-based APIs, C# is powering a quiet revolution. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes steady evolution beats flashy, disruptive reinvention. Choosing a programming language today isn't just about learning syntax. It's about choosing a direction for your career, a path for your future. Because in the next few years, the developers who thrive won't just be the ones who know how to code. They'll be the ones who never stop learning, who adapt to the ever-changing landscape of technology. They won't just survive, they'll lead. And that's what this channel, Beyond Code, is all about. Helping you adapt, learn, and evolve. If you're ready to see where code meets the future, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.